Okay, one important note when adding devices for the first time on console 2.0, the new XOR filter allows the console backend or the router to only process known traffic, so it avoids spending resources on unfamiliar packets, and that significantly improves performance. But the first time a device joins the network, its keys need to be added to the blockchain and the block propagated to the miners or the hotspots. So this can take up to 20 minutes depending on when this transaction gets added to the blockchain and the overall performance of the blockchain. So it's really important to note and not be worried or freaked out when you're first adding devices that it could take up to 20 minutes. After that, the initial rejoining of the same device will be much quicker after it is already joined once. But that first time, because of that new XOR filter, which again improves performance on console, it may take up to 20 minutes. So don't worry if your device takes a little bit the first time to be added. After that, it will be much quicker. The link for this doc that explains this and a little bit more about XOR filters is provided in this video as well.